Este día principia el Livelihood Exchange Philippines 2016 y Mindanao Cluster Conference. Objeto de la actividad, amo para invita magagrande call centers aquí na ciudad de Zamboanga. El presidente del ICT Council Michael Lim y habla que a ciudad amo el siguiente emerging city na país, que quiere decir preparaw ya a ciudad na llegada de mga call centers.
Emerging city and next wave city is what call centers are given by the Philippine government to say that these cities are the ones that are ready for call centers. So imagine 3 years ago, we were never on the radar, but it was only because nobody was working towards it. Because we have the talent, we have the infrastructure, we have everything we need for them to come down. It's more of nobody went to them and said, come down here to Zamboanga. And on our part, we have been preparing Zamboanga City for them to come.
Según con Lim, grande el potensyal de mga Zamboangueños na magatrabaho relataw na call centers y mayoría del mga call centers na paizamboangueño tasaka. Pora que tiene potensyal magavivientes na aspeto de komunikasyon, fronto también aprende lenguaje español magavivientes por causa na Chavacano.
What we hope to accomplish for this event is to convince one of the big call centers to come and locate. Because I've been around call centers in Cebu and Davao, not everybody said that the good agents that they have, most of them come from Zamboanga, especially that they also speak Spanish.
Tasegura según ang mga communication companies que el termina di ila proyekto este año, aber hindi na mas enfrenta problema na signal el ciudad. Y admiti si Lim que tatormenta sila del una, introducir el proyekto por causa na asunto tiene que hacer la paz y orden del ciudad. Pero optimismo el ICT Council que hindi este ataha con el mga investors y compañía para anda na ciudad. Crystal Almonia, Dateline Zamboanga.